Hello students, this is the demonstration of Blink LED by using Raspberry Pi Zero W. We have connected here the LED to the pin number 8. So this is your onboard LED pin number, that is GPIO 14, but we have configure, that is a GPIO dot board, which is pin number is 8. So that's why we have connected LED anode pin of the LED with a current limiting resistor to the pin number 8, and the cathode of that LED is connected to the ground. So this is your Raspberry Pi Zero W. I have used this headless OS installation, and then I have connected my Raspberry Pi to my laptop, and then controlling all the sensors, input output devices by using a Python program. By using this Raspberry Pi, my laptop, there is no need of an extra monitor, keyboard, and to operate this Raspberry Pi. So we have created here, let's see, this is my Raspberry Pi OS, and I'm working on here. My Raspberry Pi Zero W is connected to my laptop, means through the laptop I'm giving power to my Raspberry Pi Zero W. Now click here, you will get a programming option. Inside this programming option, you will go to the Honey Python IDE, where I have written this first Blink program. It will take us some time because RAM is very less to execute all the applications. So see, this is our first program is available here, that is blinking of LED, where we have set this pin number 8 as high for 1 second, and then it will be become as low for 1 second. So when I'm click on a run, it will be run this program, and your LED which is connected to the pin number 8, that will be start blinking. So I will show you how it will be work. You can check if any error and everything is occur here in this Sony IDE. Then click on this run, and if I'm connect a LED to the pin number 8, it starts blinking. So just a minute. Now you can see here, when I click on this on button, that is run button, your LED will start blinking. See, here I have connected the anode of the LED with a current limiting resistor to the pin number 8, and the cathode which is connected to the ground. So when I stop this execution, it will stop the blinking. So see, it will stop the blinking of that LED.